The temperature may reach around 31 to 33 degrees Celsius this afternoon. So it will feel warmer a little bit. There is a small chance of light rain, but most of the day will stay dry. Now, for general Trias Cavite, the weather will also be warm with some clouds in the sky. Temperatures may range from 29 to 32 degrees Celsius. There might be brief light showers, but overall, it will be still a pleasant day. To summarize, both Metro Manila and General Trias will have warm and partly cloudy weather, with only a bit chance of rain today, March 1, 2026. And don't forget to drink water and bring an umbrella just in case. And this is Erin Jane A. July, weather reporter from Triathlon Broadcasting Studio. Stay safe and enjoy the day.